Hey loves, Tylah here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into another nail video again. I recently purchased some new glitters and stuff from Amazon, so I will be trying those out today and seeing if I can accomplish this look. I got this picture off the seller page on Amazon. So I've done all my cuticle prep work and I have just now glued on my tips and filed them to the shape that I wanted them in. And I'm going to start by dusting off the dust. I'm also going to go in with a lint-free wipe and take off the remainder of whatever particles are on my nails. And I'm going to start my acrylic application prep. I got a new primer and dehydrator, y'all. This one is Mia Secrets because I've been loving their products. So I'm going in with 2 coats of the dehydrator and 2 coats of the bond. I want to take this time to thank all of you guys for watching my videos, and if you haven't already, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button below because you're gonna love it here. Don't forget about that notifications button just so that you can get notified every time I upload one of my videos. So now I busted out my big gem so that I can start my acrylic application. I have my Mia Secrets monomer, and I have Mia Secrets Cover Pink acrylic, and I'm going to be doing like an ombre look, but I'm only using this one color acrylic, and I'm using some clear to top it off. And yeah, so let's get into this acrylic application. So I would also like to make note of the fact that this is only my 7th time applying acrylic. I get a lot of comments from people saying, you know, I'm super talented and they could never do this, but I do not agree. I really think that it really depends upon how much you want to do it. And I had already bought all of these products, so I have no choice but to learn what I'm doing and figure this out as I go. So yeah, if you are watching my nail videos but you don't feel like you can do it, definitely can. Like, give yourself a chance, you know, to figure it out. And in the beginning it might be super shoddy and stuff, but as you continuously try, you will gain these skills. They'll get better, and yeah, you never know, maybe you'll be a nail tech on the side. I don't think you guys can tell from the video, but that glitter was getting everywhere. Child, I was trying to like control it. It just wasn't working. It was in my monomer. It was on all my brushes. But for the most part, I was able to do the gradient effect, but it was super, super stressful. So for my left ring finger, I did a clear nail with some pink butterflies, and I got these from Amazon as well. All these tools that I'm using and materials used will be included in my nail essential list on Amazon, and I will link that below as well. So at this point, I've finished both hands and I've also done my filing. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see my filing. It's just a lot, really time consuming, and I try not to, have my videos super long. So I'm now going in with the Babe Nails, I want to say. Yeah, Babe Nails base coat. And then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm going to start with my decorations. As you can see, I have a ton of stuff out. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, but I decided on going in with some geometrics on my middle finger, and it was just really hard to center the line, but I got through it, and I added some gems on some nails, and then I'm going to finish off with some top coat and curing for another 60 seconds. So I'm going in with my mini LED lamp to set the gems, because after all that work I just put in, child, I do not want these bad boys to move. So comparison to my nail inspo pick, and I'll include that again. I don't know. I don't feel like this design is giving that. I do like the design, but I wasn't able to get as much chunky glitter pieces. So there's a lot more of a mix, but I still like it. So I'm happy. This is pretty much the end of the video. Please let me know in the comments below if you like the shorter videos for nails. I felt it was stupid to have you guys watch me file my nails for half an hour straight. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. I enjoy making videos for you guys. Let me know what you like. This is my nails the next day in the natural light, and that's it. Toodaloo.